It has been a month since the United States Supreme Court overturned the constitutional right to abortion, triggering widespread protests. Since then, about half of U.S. states have or are expected to ban or restrict abortions. CGTN's Owen Fairclough has more from Washington.
The Feminist Women's Health Center in Brookhaven, Georgia, the latest abortion clinic to make an agonizing decision which patients to prioritize after most abortions after around 6 weeks of pregnancy were banned immediately following a court ruling on Wednesday. A month after the U.S. Supreme Court overturned the constitutional right to abortion, Georgia is the latest state to use the incendiary ruling as legal backing to target places like the Feminist Women's Health Center.
Based off sort of rough estimations, I think we saw about half of the patients who were originally scheduled today.
But the overturning of the 1974 Roe v. Wade ruling has led to around half of predominantly conservative states either banning or restricting it. Democrat lawmakers who fear this is just the tip of the iceberg are among the most vocal protesters. Some of the most progressive female Democrats among those arrested for blocking a street near the Supreme Court before the lower House of Representatives on Thursday voted to make access to contraception a federal right.
I refuse to sit back and watch as Republicans regress our nation to a place where my granddaughter has fewer rights than her mother or I did.
But with just 8 House Republicans backing the law and a difficult passage ahead in the evenly divided Senate, even contraception is a polarizing issue in the U.S.
This bill jeopardizes constitutional rights of individuals and organizations across this great land by forcing providers to prescribe various forms of contraception that violates their religious rights.
While millions of women across the United States are being denied a fundamental right, the conservative-dominated Supreme Court's reputation as an apolitical arbiter has also been dealt a huge blow. A Marquette University poll found just 38% of people in the US approve of it, compared to a 60% approval rating a year ago. Owen Fairclough, CGTN, Washington.